Hello, my name is Mike Centralized, owner of Cornerable Software. This week I had a couple of customers ask how they could back up Linux log files, so I decided to make a video to show everyone how to centralize and back up Linux log files with Cornerable Log Manager 2020. In order to connect to a Linux server, we need to configure Log Manager to use Sftp over SSH to access the Linux file system. First, let's add the Linux server to the system. Select File, New, then select Computers, Devices, and Endpoints. Specify either the host name or the IP address. Then click OK. Once added, the Host Properties dialog automatically displays. Select the Sftp tab, enable Sftp, then specify your username and password to access the SSH server. Once you've entered that information, click the Test button. The software will attempt to connect, then read the contents of the initial directory. If there are any errors, verify the SSH server is running and accessible through PuTTY or some other SSH client. Click the Save button to save your changes. Next, we need to create and assign a text log backup template. Select File, New, expand Template, expand Log Management, select Log Backup. Under Subtype, select Text Log. The General tab enables you to specify a name and, most importantly, the frequency to pull the file. By default, the schedule is set to once every day. The Log tab enables you to navigate the file system on your Linux server, then select the log or specify search criteria. To populate the tree, I'm going to select the Linux server I just added a moment ago. Once selected, Log Manager opens a connection to the Linux server and populates the view. If you're monitoring a known file name, simply navigate to the file, then click the Add button. If the target file name contains the date within the file name, specify the search criteria, then test the criteria. If you get the expected results, click the Add button. This is the Test button. And we can see it found the file. If I were to put in a star, for example, it would find the log. And if I did a star in the entire directory, we would see all the files listed. And this is the Add button. Next, select the Options tab. The Option tab enables you to choose the backup options. You have the option to copy the file. If copied, the destination directory, which supports tags such as host, log, date, and time. The option to compress, encrypt and password protect, digitally sign, delete previously backed up files that are no longer needed, then finally the option to delete the remote log file. Once you have set the options, click Save to save your changes. Rather than waiting for the schedule to execute, let's manually run the template. From the Explorer view, navigate to your Linux server, expand, then right-click on the new template and select Execute Verbose. The status window displays, and we can watch the download and backup as it happens. Once complete, let's verify the log file was saved to our destination directory. That's how you back up Linux application log files with Cornerable Log Manager. this video was helpful, please like it. Thank you for watching. I hope it was informative, and we look forward to answering any questions you have.